Okay, so I managed to somehow break off the connectors. And, this is totally my fault. This connector goes to the light. So the headlight, well, the rear light was not working after the second time I pulled the body off. And then the headlight now doesn't work because this whole thing is, needs to be soldered, but this is so tiny. I think probably what I'll do is I'll try to solder it or try to find a plug. I do actually have a second one, so I can just pull the light off and put it on this one on the body. But that one's the black body. So anyways, that's only the light fixture. The car itself still works, the monster truck. So let's reattach this. And a little bummer, but actually, it's a little bit more aerodynamic now. You don't have the top. We'll just see how it runs. And I've actually played around with the settings. So I'm gonna go to 100 throttle, turn it on, turn the car on. And when you turn the car on, there's no light, but there should be a light. There's a light when it's charging for sure. Alright, so as you can see, 100% throttle. You can hear it. It's pretty cool. Alright, so let's see how it goes. And I might need a running start to go up these ramps, so it's going to go off screen. And let's see. It's not as easy. Okay. So even 100% throttle, these are too far apart. Let's just do that for now. Yeah, all right. Not bad. All right, so let's change the view. All right, so I've readjusted the camera and I'm going to just start driving. 100% throttle is pretty fast for this tiny little monster truck, but it's pretty good. It curves a little to the left. Not bad. Yeah, I think this is really fun. You can just drive this around your furniture. It's now behind a table over there. And you know what? You don't really need the lights. I mean, the yellow body itself is pretty bright. It does add to the coolness factor. And Turbo Racing also has the 1/76 scale cars. So they first came out with the Mini Cooper, and then they came out with the sedans, the Sport GT cars. And I thought about getting those, but I think the monster truck is just way cooler. They give you the ramps. So, okay. And what's not fun about going up ramps and failing? But this is a lot of fun. This is perfect for your living room, your kitchen, your bedroom, probably living room actually. They do also have little rubber mats. I think it's rubber with a track printed on it. Those are mainly for the cars, but you can drive these monster trucks on it. And the control is just really nice. Like, it's proportional steering. And, it's just like any hobby grade RC car. It's got a little tiny battery and controller is pretty good. It's got all the settings you would need. I only charge this for like maybe a minute or two, and I'm at 100% throttle, and it's still going. I would imagine that the light fixture would, eat up some of the battery, but without it, it's pretty good. So I would encourage you, if you're bored at home and you have some friends or family, maybe consider getting these. It's great fun in the house. It doesn't take up space. You don't really need a big setup. These things are fun. You can, race each other. You can set up obstacles to go around, and that's off screen. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. So there you have it. This is the 176 Turbo Racing Monster Truck Yellow Edition. I think it's a C81 model. They have a yellow and a black one right now, and it's about $80 US. You can probably find it for slightly cheaper if you go elsewhere on the internet, hobby stores. But yeah, so much fun. Can't wait to drive with other people who have the same scale cars. Alright, so anyways, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more future content, or even just the backlog of previous content.